Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop sharing call history between iPhone. So first of all, you have to open up your settings application. On your settings application, you have to click on your name that is present right below the search bar. Now, on your account, you have to click on the option that says iCloud. In iCloud, you have to tap on See All. Now, once all of the applications are displayed, you have to scroll down and toggle this option off that says Contacts. Now, tap on Keep on my iPhone. Once you are done with this, you have to scroll back up and then tap on iCloud Drive. From here, you have to toggle this off and then click on Turn off syncing iCloud Drive. Once you do that, you have to go back to your settings main interface. Now on your settings main interface, you have to scroll down and click on General. In General, you have to tap on AirPlay and Continuity. Now over here, you have to toggle the handoff option off. So once you are done with this, you only have to restart your iPhone and you will be good to go. So everyone, that's how you can stop sharing call history between iPhone. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.